Hindi na kailangan ng executive order nun.
Ano po yung tingin nyo kailangan i-formalize ni Presidente yung kanyang pagwawakas ng peace negotiation?
Hindi na. Alam mo kasi, the president opened his heart to peace talks. Di ba? Marami na siyang ginawa. He appointed those even identified with the left in the cabinet. Pero what did they do, these people in the left? While negotiating with us, they have committed criminal acts, terrorist activities, burning properties, exacting revolutionary taxes. Walang sincerity. Kaya, kumbaga inabot din yung pasensya ni Presidente.
So, talagang wala na po. Wala nang pag-asa. Hanggang matapos yung administrasyong Duterte.
Most likely, unless na, alam mo naman si Presidente, ang pusong mamon. But palagi naman ang Presidente para sa kapanatagan ng bayan ang iniisip. Or he always looks for the security of the nation.